Biboo, you should go next. Explain why you're sitting over there.
Don't talk to me. I'm sad. The loneliest loner you've ever met. I walk the path alone into the darkness to face my demons. Alone. Did I mention I'm a loner? It's not like I want head pats or belly scratches or anything. I will not be paying child support. I am Biboo the Sigma.
You must reclaim our territory, Biboo.
I need help! SOS! I'm coming!
What is...
Babes! I'm coming!
Oh, dear.
Don't worry, Sigma's coming to help!
I got
Here's your eat this,
and there's a den around here, so please.
Okay,
do you want to kill that?
Okay, which one? This
I have
one?
beef with it.
This one?
Yeah,
That one.
We don't deserve puppies.
It's dying! I will kill it!
Why is
I
it
know.
not finding its echo?
I'm an alpha! I can
You're an alpha?
I'm dead again! I am the Sigma!
What's happening?
That's express went out.
Okay,
It's
so we
dead! I
don't
did it!
know.
Oh, finally!
It's
I